Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be taking a look at a pair of budget truly wireless earbuds. This here is the EarFun free earbuds and they come in at just $50 and have some pretty cool features. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The earbuds come in a very nice box. Inside the box you will find an accessory box that contains a short USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. I'm glad to see them using USB-C on these budget earbuds. Underneath the case and earbuds is a card that lets you know that if you share your experience on any channel, they will make a $1 donation, and that is really nice of them. You will also find the user manual here. It also comes with additional earbud tips. It comes with the medium ones already on them. You can switch it out for the small or large ones depending on your comfort. The charging case has a USB-C port on the back and 4 indicator lights at the front that give you a rough idea of how much battery life you got left in the case in increments of 25%. The earphones free sport an IPX7 rating, so they are water resistant. You can run out in the rain with them or even wear them while showering. And surprisingly, they managed to stay in my ears without falling out while jogging, even though it doesn't have any earwing tips. They are a little slippery to get out of the case, however, so just be careful when you take them out. It could also just be me not having good thumb grip. The earbuds support multimedia controls with the push of a button on the side of each one. It's interesting that they went with a button, but I like it since it guarantees more responsiveness than touch controls. So you can play, pause with a single press, raise and lower the volume with a double press, and skip tracks with a triple press. One of the cons of having a button is that it can cause discomfort when pressing them because it pushes it into your ear. To avoid this, try and press the very top edge so that it doesn't push into your ear canal. Both the earbuds and charging case are very lightweight. The earbuds have a similar design to the Galaxy Buds, but they are a little bulkier compared to the Samsung Galaxy Buds. But I don't mind it since the earphones give you some great battery life and are less expensive. The earbuds themselves last up to 6 hours on a single charge and can be recharged with the case for an additional 20 hours, so you're getting a total of 26 hours of battery life. The case will recharge in about an hour and a half, and that is not too bad. The awesome part is that it supports wireless charging, so you can drop them on top of a wireless charging pad to charge. And if you have a Samsung Galaxy S10 or S20, you can have it wirelessly charged through PowerShare on the back of your Samsung device, and that is pretty cool. The audio quality is surprisingly good. The audio is crisp and well balanced with some noticeable bass that gives it a nice kick. I like it. I find it comfortable to wear as well. Now where it suffers a little is with the microphone, so here's a test of that.
This is a quick microphone test. This audio is coming from the EarFun free earbuds. So this is the audio quality that the other person will be hearing. And as you can tell, these earbuds have no difficulty trying to pick up my voice. So this was just a quick demonstration.
So there you have it. The quality of the microphone is quite decent. If you really need to make a phone call with these, then just know that it will get the job done. With all that being said, these are actually a really good pair of wireless earbuds. I would recommend them, and for $50 you are getting a deal. They will be releasing a new pair of wireless earbuds called EarFun Air, and they have a similar look to the AirPods with a shorter stem. They will release it somewhere near the end of April, so stay tuned for a review on that. Alright, so that concludes today's review. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like if you found the video helpful and subscribe for more tech related videos, and I will talk to you on the next one.